Hi, Namaste children. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Then, in our previous class, children, we have completed our first lesson, and also yesterday we have attended the PT1 examination of English subject. If you have any doubts about any question in that question paper, okay, periodic test 1 question paper, please you can send that doubt, you can type that doubt and send through the WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can phone call me and you can ask about your doubts. Surely I will give you clarification. Okay, so I hope I am clear. You can call me anytime. Okay, then first lesson is over. Now second lesson. Which is that second lesson? So the second lesson name is the way to school. The way to school. Now we were all not coming to the school. We were all at your home. So it is because of this situation, COVID situation. So that now you were not coming to the school. So then every day earlier, every day you were coming to the school. And how you were coming to the school? Directly you were coming to the school. Somebody on foot you were coming. Somebody you were coming by auto. Somebody you were coming by bus, school bus, and somebody were coming by bike, two-wheeler. Okay, so like this, using different vehicles, you were coming to the school earlier. And directly when first you were leaving your home, then you were coming to the school. How you were coming? What is the route you were following to reach the school? So if we told like that, you will get little difficulty to answer for it. So how we need to tell the route? So that is the thing we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, the way to school. Here something they given. First an activity, small activity they given here before the lesson. Please look at it, and how to complete that activity you will see. I will explain to you. Later we can go for the lesson. Today I will read out that second lesson, the way to school, and tomorrow I am going to explain that lesson with meanings, new words meanings also I will give you in my next class. Is it clear? So please look at your screen. I am going to explain you about that activity which is there in the first page of the second lesson. Okay. Yeah, here it is there. You look at it please. Second lesson, the way to school. Before starting this lesson, they given this activity, one of the wonderful activity. Here they mentioned, they asked that take turns with your partner to trace the route. You can ask the help of your friends. Now, if you were in the classroom, there will be your friends with you. So, with the help of your classmate or friend, you can complete this activity. But here now you are at home. You have no partner. You can ask your brothers or sisters to be a partner of you. Okay, to be a partner of you, then with the help of them you can do it. So you need to trace the routes. From where to where we need to trace the route. Route is nothing but way. Okay, from home to till the school, how we were coming through the route. Which route? The way. Okay, what you are following, that is the route. Okay, so that one. Here they ask you two routes to be traced by you. You need to trace two routes. Which those routes? From where to where you need to trace? They given clearly that. So one is from the well to the temple. So look at this image. Where is well and where is temple? So please look at it and tell. Yeah, well is here and temple is here. Now you are in nearby the temple. Nearby the well. You are here nearby the well. Okay, you are nearby the well. From well to till the temple, how you are coming? How you can reach the temple? Yes, that you have to say. Directly we can come now, Guruji, from well to temple. Is it possible? No, because in between there is garden area. Here garden it is there. You can look at it. Here garden area it is totally. There is no proper route to come to the temple, to reach the temple. So that we need to come through the proper way, correct way. Where is correct way? Here it is there. You see, it is proper way. These are all correct routes. So we need to follow those routes. Then only we can reach our place neatly. Okay. Then temple well is here. Now well onwards. So from the well you will go straight toward the park, and you will take a right turn, and you will reach this cross, and you will take here again right turn. Okay. So from well to this cross, then here right turn, here you will reach the bridge. Okay, to cross the river you need to cross the bridge also, bridge here. Through bridge you need to cross the river. So after the bridge, then you need to take again left turn. You will reach this bridge, second bridge. First bridge, second bridge. So it is first bridge, yes, it is second bridge. Through the second bridge, if you cross the second bridge, you will reach the temple. This is the way we need to trace the route from well to the temple. Over. Next one. From that stable to the market. Stable where horses will be tied. That place is called stable. Where is stable? Can you see? Stable is here. Stable. And market is here. Now you are here, nearby the stable. Okay, near the stable you are here. So now from stable to till market, how you can come? Trace the route like that they said. Yeah. Stable, and we need to go straight toward the park. After reaching the park, we need to take left turn, and we will reach there on cross. When we reach the cross, we need to take left turn. Okay, left turn. Then again we need to take right turn. We will reach the river. Through bridge we need to cross the river, and here we need to take left turn, and we will reach second bridge. We should not cross the second bridge now. We are going to the market. From here we need to take a right turn, and we will reach the market. Stable to the park, left turn, again left turn, then bridge. After crossing the bridge, left turn. After that second bridge, we need to take a right turn, and we need to reach the market. This is the way we need to tell our routes. If somebody asked to you, how you are going to school every day, through which route you are going in Nagaribommanalli? So if you are coming from main bazaar, Basaveshwar Bazaar, we need to tell from Basaveshwar Bazaar, I will be standing there, I will be waiting for the school bus, it will come there. Okay, once it comes, I will get into the bus, then it will go toward the Ramanagara circle. So there it will take a right turn, again it will reach the police station cross, then again it will take the right turn, and it will go straight. When it reaches Kudligi road cross, there it will take left turn, and it will come to the Kudligi circle, and it will go straight. So then our school will be there beside the Kudligi road. Then it will turn toward the right into the school gate. Okay, so this is the way we need to tell the route. Okay, like that we should be always ready to tell our way, how we are moving, how we are going to other places, how we are reaching other places. Okay, turns we need to tell. Okay, then this lesson I am going to read today, please look at it. After reading this, in my next class I will explain to you. Okay, yeah, look at it. If you have textbooks, please open and sit. If you don't have textbook, please listen carefully. Okay, I am reading here. Maniram and Vijay were very excited. Their parents had gone out of town, and Uncle Anand, their father's brother, had come over to look after them. Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of exciting things to do. The last time he stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making. For days after that, Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Her friends had to hold things like lights and cameras, while Minnie held a paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions. Have you got everything? Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus. Yes, said the children. So then Uncle Anand is saying here this mark is showing that Uncle Anand's talk it is. What he told, here it is there. See you after school. I will have a wonderful surprise for you when you get back. He said like that. Then children said, hey. So it means they were happy. They said, hey, hooray, like that they said. Then, oh, tell us what the surprise is. Downside here you can see. Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Tell us now, please, begged the children. No, it is time for the bus. You will miss it. If you don't go right now, you will miss it if you don't go right now. Like that he said. Then what happened? Come to this part, second part of this page. So the children started walking toward the bus stop. I wonder what uncle is planning, said Minnie. I bet he will take us to watch that football match, said Vijay. Who wants to see a boring match? Maybe he will take us to the bird park. Then bird park? Only bird brains wanted to see birds, said Vijay. By this, here I am reading, by this time they had reached the bus stop, but they couldn't see any of their friends. Only Muruli's mother was there. Oh, you missed the bus. It just left, she said. What will we do now? Minnie started to cry. It means Minnie started to cry now. Don't be such a crybaby. Here I am reading. Don't be such a crybaby. We can ask Uncle Anand to take us, said Vijay. Both the children ran back home. We missed the bus, they told Uncle Anand. Well, you can take a holiday and we can go and see the vintage cars at India Gate, said Uncle Anand with a twinkle in his eye. Oh no, we have a football match with class 4C. I can't miss that, wailed Vijay. I have to go to school. I have a test, said Minnie. So it's over here. Next page. Come to the next page. Yeah. I'll just read out this lesson today. Tomorrow I will explain this lesson with meanings. Meanings also I will give you tomorrow. Then you will understand this story. Okay. Then. All right. Here I am reading. First line. All right. Don't get upset. Tell me the way and I will drop you in the car, said Uncle Anand. Do you know the way to your school? He is asking to his children. Do you know the way to your school? Children said, yes. We take the same route every day. Both the children cried, shouted it means. Then, so the children got into the car with Uncle Anand, and Minnie is saying here they given Minnie. Mini is saying that go straight down ring road. Go straight down ring road. Then Vijay, yes, now there is the big hoarding of the new gymnasium. Okay, new gymnasium. Then uncle you have to turn left now. Then Uncle Anand says here, but I thought your school was on the right somewhere here. Vijay, Vijay is saying, no, we have to go this way, he says. Then Uncle Anand replies, okay, if you say so. If you say so, then Vijay, now go under that bridge. Now go under that bridge. Then Mini, yes, into that lane where Usha lives. Then Uncle Anand, are you sure? Are you sure? I somehow feel we are going away from your school. Vijay. Vijay is saying that, no, uncle, I am sure this is the way. I am sure this is the way. Here it is. This is the way. Then Mini, she replies that, here you can see that is where Monu lives. That is where Monu lives. We have to go around the park and straight towards the metro station. Then Vijay says, now take a U-turn past the metro station. Then Mini replies, no, now go down this road and then turn left. Then Uncle Anand says, but we have come back to the place where we turned left. Mini, yes, there is the school gate. Then Uncle Anand, that is what I said earlier. We could have turned right here. But then that Uncle Anand is saying that, so why did you make me go around all those roads? We could turn right there. Somewhere we could turn right. But you are said that different way, so that we go around the roads. All the roads we traveled in all the roads and we reached the school now. Like that Anand says. Then children replied, but that is our bus route. We only know that way. It means school bus. What is the way of school bus? Here there is a great fun. Okay, what is that great fun? I will tell to you when I will be explaining this lesson. Okay, so I hope I am clear. Please listen this lesson. What I am pronouncing those words. Pronunciation of those words can be learnt clearly. Then only you can understand the lesson later. Okay. So read once this lesson and once again you can remember that words, pronunciation of the words you can remember. Okay, if you have any doubts about any pronunciation, send me a message or you can call me. I hope I am clear. Take care all of you. Have a nice day. I will see you in my next class.